everything was a mess for so long. And now, like, the relief that helps there, and that I've had that help, and someone's actually listened to us and pointed us in the right direction instead of just fobbing us off. It's quality. Like, you couldn't buy that.
It's overwhelming when I moved in because everything was all new.
You turn up, you've got a friendly face to welcome you.
Everyone who lives here is friendly.
The sofa was there.
There's furniture that's provided when you first move in.
And it was comfy as well. It was like a place that you could call home.
And the level of standard in this flat just blew me away.
Cutlery, food in the cupboards.
It's like, I couldn't believe it.
And I just felt really...
While you're trying to get yourself back on your feet.
Yeah, from like not knowing where you're going to be that night to having somewhere safe and secure to call your own. It was fantastic.
Seriously, I thought having a roof over my head was amazing enough. And then it was like the activities. I was like, what activities?
They've took with go-karting.
Which got everyone a day out.
As long as you get involved, that's what helps in here.
One of the great things I love about Launchpad is the range of activities. We're here today fishing and we're going to have a great day.
A couple of weeks ago we done Battle Back, that was a week away with British Legion.
Since coming to Launchpad, the exercise and everything's increased massively. I have like breakfast on once a week.
And there's residents here that have got animals and they take them out for a walk, they're therapy dogs.
The support's there and they don't push it on you. They wait until you're ready and they'll come and say, this is what I found for you. And it's always top notch.
They showed me around the building and gave me a bit of history on it as well and around the gardens and stuff, and I was completely blown away.
Before coming to Launchpad, I didn't see a future. I wasn't even living, I was just like surviving day to day basically.
Proper suicidal thoughts and everything else. It's really bad. Everybody tries to help each other out and point in the right direction. If somebody's having a crap day, everybody's together. Even the staff, you can knock on the door.
They've got John the therapist, he's there to help everyone and can deal with everyone separately.
Sharon, my support worker, she's been phenomenal. She's so down to earth and she keeps it real as well. And I got a piece of paper that she had taken the time to put under my door, and it made me cry.
So the future moving on from now, I've just done a railway engineering course. The confidence has pushed us further, do you know what I mean?
So these actually helping us getting training and helping us looking for volunteering spots because I want to get into adventure training and actually give back to people.
Looking ahead now, get myself a job or whatever, and I appreciate what the Launchpad have done for us.
For my future, it's obviously once my driving licence comes back, can put myself straight back into work, get back out into the real world for myself.
I'm in a place where I've been able to blossom and I've been able to grow and I've been able to achieve, and that wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for this project.